This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your phone model and OS are known, and have your PIN or biometrics ready to make changes. Once ready, open the Settings app and navigate directly to Connections or Network Settings. This is where Hotspot/tethering controls live. You're doing this now to avoid interruptions later, because lock screen behavior is tied to system toggles. Next, tap Mobile Hotspot or Wi-Fi Hotspot to view the control that may be exposed on the lock screen. Once you're in the Hotspot panel, look for Advanced or More settings. This often hides the lock screen permission. You want the option labeled Lock Screen, Show on Lock Screen, or Allow on Lock Screen. Different OEM name it slightly differently. Tap that entry and toggle it off so the hotspot control cannot be activated from the lock screen. Make sure to save or back out until changes persist. This prevents anyone without unlock access from toggling hotspot quickly. Finish by locking your phone and verifying the hotspot shortcut no longer appears on the lock screen. This confirms success. If you still see it, reboot the device and check the setting again, because some phones require a restart to apply system UI changes. If the toggle persists, inspect OEM-specific security or quick settings customization menus, because some launchers or carrier firmware override stock behavior. If nothing works, temporarily disable quick settings editing or contact device support for a firmware-specific fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.